Hi everyone and welcome back to Naio Nails. Today we're bringing you a super easy and chic zebra print nail art tutorial with stunning gold accents, perfect for summer. So to start, I've applied 2 layers of snow white gel polish and cured them. And after wiping off the tacky layer with gel residue solution, I'm using foil glue to create random stripes on the nail. Once cured, I press on this gorgeous gold foil, letting it transfer naturally for a rustic, textured look. So next it's time to add the zebra print. Using a 003 detail brush and black gel paint, I'm outlining the gold areas and adding zebra stripes. Remember, zebra print is all about variation. Combine V-shaped lines and uneven thickness for that perfect pattern. After curing the design, I'm applying the Urban Graffiti Ultra Matte Top Coat for a smooth finish. To make the gold pop, I've added a shiny top coat over just the foil areas for a striking contrast. And voila! A stunning zebra print nail design with golden accents. Super versatile and so easy to pair with other colours like black, white or even a mix of both. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more fun and fabulous nail art ideas. See you next time!